Hi, this is George from the Tandem Trail, and I'm feeling a little poetic today because this is Freddie. This is our 2025 Land Cruiser LC250. We're not going to go over specs today, the engine, the turbo, the hybrid. We're not doing that today. We're not doing deep dives. We're going to do that in other times where we actually want to spend a little more time in each and every important feature and things that sets this apart. But we just want to use that moment to meet the newest member of the Tandem Trail. Again, we're not reviewing that. We're here to observe it, to notice the lines, the stance, how much we like it. We really love that vehicle, the presence, and to tell you that Freddie's not really replacing Roger. He's not competing with Roger. He's joining the family. Roger will be with us forever, but this one is the new thing. This one is such a different vehicle. This is a real Land Cruiser. We love it. I'm going to walk around it. It's just that. It's a walk around the vehicle that is built for really long roads, really steep climbs. And we hope that Danny and I will have a lot of stories to tell you with it and to go through with it. And no doubt we'll get to all the tests, the off-road, the articulation test, the interior quirks, the trail geometry, but we're not going to do that today. We're not going to discuss the really small gas tank, the sometimes fantastic 28, 29 miles per gallon, a mileage, or to sometimes that is 14, 15 when you have a little heavier foot. We're not doing that today. And we're not discussing the really completely unusable OEM tires either. Those, by the way, are getting replaced soon. We're going to go with Nokian Hakkapeliittas, and then when the snow clears, we're going to put Nitto Terra Grappler G3s. But that's later next year. We are going to do the Hakkas first. So we just wanted to tell you that this is also about legacy. Many years ago, about I think 28 or 29 years ago, our first Land Cruiser that Tanya and I had was another Freddie, a very, very green 90 series. And we can tell you that rig could do miracles. I mean, carried gear, grit, a lot of fantastic emotions and dreams. And I can tell you this Freddie is a very worthy successor. Freddie is a really long hauler. We tested a little, and Tanya and I, have a name for it. This is our long distance Overlander-in-Chief. Freddie is fantastic. This today is about the first impression about the silhouette, about the feelings when you see a rig that can do almost anything, and it's ready to be in an adventure with you. And just that at the background that you see here, this is Garden of the Gods. It's a magical place, and it really reminds us that every journey begins and should have views and stories worth remembering. And that's it. Freddie is just starting, and so are we with him. Thanks. And if you really like what we have here, please comment, hit the like button, subscribe. We are starting with really fantastic stories.